Hey, it's your girl TT Lavish, and today I'm reviewing this super silky hair from I Show Hair. I get the emails all the time from these hair companies, and I'm pretty good about shopping online. I've been buying hair online since I want to say 2012. Is that right? 2000? Oh no, even before that, maybe 2010. I've been buying hair online for a long time, so I know what I'm looking for when I buy hair, and I'm pretty good at figuring out what I like and what I don't like just from the company showing me the hair. So I get these emails all the time, and I finally came across this company. They reached out to me. I took a look at the hair and I was like, yes, that is nice hair. I want that. So they sent me the hair. I reviewed it, did my initial review. It was amazing, silky bomb, and now here we are on the second review. So far I have touched up the color on the hair. I did turn it a little tinge of green with my touch up, but I think it's okay. Also, I think that green will fade out in a couple days, so I'm not too worried about that. But review of the hair. What do I think of this hair? This hair is so silky bomb. It is still so silky, and what I love about this hair is that I don't have to flat iron it. It just gets so silky straight from a blow dryer, which is so amazing. Makes my life so much easier. I like that this hair is so silky, so it doesn't take me a lot of work to get it together, to get it right, to get it looking presentable. I think I want to cut up here just to frame my face a little bit better, but I'm loving this hair. The ends are still looking super amazing. I've been wearing this hair out and about with me. I make sure I wear this out to really see how it holds up, because no one wants to spend all this money on hair that's not gonna last. This is my, I want to say, third or fourth time applying the lace with glue. I do tend to just throw this on without glue, and it comes out nice. It looks good. That's how I like it. I really don't like glue, but you know, sometimes you gotta be laid, slick to the yeah. Overall, I'm very impressed with this hair. I was waiting for that, you know, that nasty, you've worn it for a while and it just starts looking disgusting, but this hair is just, it's amazing. So silky. Yes, I'm loving this hair. Overall, this hair is exactly what I expect from a hair company. The customer service is exactly what I'm expecting for a hair company. If I'm chucking up some money for some hair, I need it to last, I need it to look good, I need it to be easily styled. If I'm buying somebody else's hair, this needs to work well with me. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with how it looks, how it's held up, and I'm really pleased about the price. If I spend this, cut the bra strap. Oh. I think their pricing was really appropriate and fair, especially for this kind of hair. I was taking a look at the prices, and this is high quality hair at an affordable price. You're not paying that $500, $600, $700. And be sure, if you go check out the site, make sure to use my discount code ISHOWT8 so you can get even more monies off of this hair, because honey, y'all, bam, she's so popping. So if you're interested in seeing how I colored this wig and pretty much any wig that you see me wearing, I will have a video right here, and that was my very first review of this wig where I showed you how I colored it. I recently just touched up the color a little bit, just toning it to exactly precisely how I liked it, and I love how this hair took color. It took color so well, so easily, and held up. This hair came in a 1B black, and I lightened it to brown, and I also did some blonde pieces in there, and I bleached this hair I want to say 3 or 4 times, and it has held up so good. It's still so silky, so smooth. The ends are looking amazing, so I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna show you guys really super quick how I toned up this hair, just if you're interested in watching. So we'll take a look at that right now. So initially I actually bleached out too many blonde sections, and I wanted to tone up this hair as well. So I went back with the Kiss Tintations in darkest brown and honey brown and just covered up a few of those underneath blonde sections that I didn't need. And then I let that sit for 30 minutes. After the hair is done processing, before I wash out the color, I like to tone it up. So I mix up Shimmer Light shampoo and more Kiss Tintation and apply that to the whole head of hair, and then wash it out almost immediately, and that just makes your colors popping. So now I'm gonna slap on my wig. You know, I got my 91% alcohol. I have no idea what I'm smacking on. And I like to put this netted wig cap on top of my stocking cap because this wig has really nice clips that I can slip right into that net. So that's really convenient. So I had literally just pulled the 24 hours to finish some final exams, and I'm treating some zits on the side of my face with cream. So that's what that is. And now I'm just laying down the lace with Ghost Bond glue, starting from the middle and just work my way down each side. So I know some of you guys are screaming right now because I just line my wig up right along my hairline because that's what looks natural, and my hairline comes down pretty low in some places. I don't know if you guys can hear these fireworks, but anyways, that's what I do, and I don't really have too many problems with my baby hairs getting pulled out because I'm usually taking the wig off before it starts to snag, and if I'm sleeping with it, I have a scarf that keeps it pretty secure. Now you guys will see how much of a weirdo I really am. I like mousse over hairspray because it's so much less mess and it's stickier when you first work with it, but then dries up and softens up without leaving residue behind on your head. Also, the hairspray gives it a kind of plastered look, which looks really good on camera, but in person is a bit too harsh on the eyes. And then I usually use whatever I don't use on my edges to just lay down some of the hair, which also softens up once it dries. So now I'm just going to lay down the hair with a scarf. Okay, all right. Yeah, so wasn't that fun? So I'm really happy with how this hair took color. Like, this is exactly the type of hair I need. It's durable, it lasts, it does exactly what I need it to do, and it's still silky at the end of the day. Like, I slept on this hair a few times and still super silky. So right now I'm in the mood to cut it. Y'all want to cut it with me? I think I just want to, like, I should do it the right way. I probably should. I don't have a comb with me. I just want to make this section a little bit more bodylicious. You see? We're just gonna cut it. I'm doing it wrong way. I should do it this way, but my hand wasn't feeling like that. It's just not too short. I cut my wigs all the time, so I'm not really. That's cute. Oh yeah, it's so much better. See how it just like falls just how I need it? I might cut it a little bit more. I should probably do this side too, but I don't feel like it right now. That's much better, right? Yeah, so I could probably cut it a little bit more and get like this side too, but I just did that in the camera. Did it with you guys. I just felt like cutting it. I think it looks good though. Definitely check this wig out. I'm not just doing this because it was a company that sent it to me. I can show you guys. I get emails from hair companies at least 2 or 3 times a week. Like, it's ridiculous, and some of this hair is just poop. Like, I'm not showing it to you guys. I decided that if I get any hair that I don't like, I'm just not gonna share it. Like, it's just not gonna be on my page. But this hair was amazing. I like had no qualms with it. This is so nice. I don't remember exactly what kind of hair it is. It will be in the description. Also, will the discount code, links, whatever you need for this wig. I believe it was like a body wave hair. Nice and full and thick, just exactly how I like it. But make sure you use my discount code IShowT8 when you go to check out, and that is on iShow Beauty Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching all the wacky things I'm doing in this lovely lavish life. You know, I love trying new things and anything beauty related, and I have no qualms at all about bringing you guys with me, showing you how I feel about it, whether I love it, like it, hate it, whatever. I'll be sure to share with you guys. So be sure to use my discount code iShowT8. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, loves. It's been such a fun journey so far, and I can't wait to keep it going with you guys. And so yeah, join the fam. Like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep getting these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and popping. Oh my god, it's so hot with these lights, and I had to cut the AC off. Like, yeah, dang, it's so hot. I didn't want y'all to hear the AC. But what are we watching next? What we about to watch?